Hi, good morning. Is it an obligation update the smart cabinet? No, absolutely no. But I want to show you a good reason why you should think in a serious way about it. Okay, take a look. We start from this very easy cabinet. Imagine that we go to transform it in a desktop. So we can select it. Then we can maybe change the dimension, and then here we are going to put 1600, then 720, and why not 600 millimeters. After that, we go to delete the bottom part, okay? After that, we go to delete also the back panel. So we go here, and the back panel is down. After that, we can say, great. We go to decide that this one, it can be copied, something like this, and why not also rotate it? Well, after that, we move in a black and white view. So we go here and we try to make a additional drawing through the two-dimensional view, and we start to use the CAD tool. So in this case, we go to insert a square that it will be 1000 millimeter by 1000 millimeter. Great. After that, we go to insert some arch. For example, this one, we point here, and after that, we put there 90 degree. And we create a new one. Okay, so repeat the command. We go here, we move off 400 millimeters, and again 90 degree. Great. When we make something like this, we go to select this part and we can delete it, and the same things we can make on the other side. Great. After that, we can move in a three-dimensional view because it will be easier, and with this new part or closed figure, closed surface, we can create a new panel. So imagine that we go here and we have a possibility to create a new panel. So we take this part, we go to give a name, just A, for example, about a thickness of 30 millimeter, and after that we create this new, with this new panel. This new panel, now we can decide where we want to put the junction, that it can be cabinet, it can be clamets, it can be minifix, what you want, and on which side. So for example, we go in the design, and we go to decide that first I want to put some additional working, in this case exactly junction, then we will click this part, and we go to decide which one, where we want to insert this additional junction. Then we put the custom junction, that it can be of different type. For example, in this case a climax. We go to decide the distance, the number, and so on, and we go to apply. Of course, the cabinet, the junction, it can be on this side, on the upper side, or also on the bottom side through this parameter. After that, we go to make exactly the same things, but on the other side. So we go here, and then we go to apply. Great. At this step, we are able to go back on the design. We have a possibility to rotate it. So in this case, we will rotate like in this case. Then, for example, we move in a different point of view, and we start to make this kind of connection. Great. When we make something like this, at the end, we have a possibility to say, okay, great, I want a copy. In this case, we can also move this element, okay, on the axis. So we put, for example, 250 millimeters. Then we make another element, again, another copy, great. And maybe we want to move on the z-axis, again, of 500 millimeters, for example. Well, what we made now give us a possibility to say, okay, some of these elements have internally some workings. Then I want to join all the elements in the schema that have some specific working and try to apply the working on the other element. So in this way, I can select this function. After that, select, for example, the window just to select all these 5 elements at the same time. And SmartCabinet already understood that now these 5 elements are all connected together. What it means? It means that, for example, if I go on this specific, we could say desktop, and I go to check in detail what are the working that he is going to hereditate from the other element, then we go inside here and we check a little better. So in this case, we will see that I already have the several climax working already on his left or right, I don't remember, side. Okay, I think that this is a very interesting and useful reason to go on the next upgrade of SmartCabinet. Bye, see you in the next time.